All right, I just want to show you how I'm putting this thing together here. So I have it this way. These things are all shiny now, ready to go in. They don't look too bad. The wear marks on this are not horrible. I think we'll be okay. And it looks like they rub on the back side of this one where the oil grooves are. So the way I've seen people put it in on videos is they'll get it started kind of like this, maybe. Put that side up. Get it going like that. Take this piece. The ramp side is facing down. Put it right here. Push it down. Done. Ready to go. Now I'll take it on the piece, the shaft. It goes this way. And right here, did I put it the right way? Yep, there it is. That spot right there is my O-ring groove. Here's my O-ring. Put our O-ring on. There it is. O-ring's on, won't go anywhere. Now here's the question I had for everybody. So this thing's here. It doesn't, I mean, it spins by itself. There's no way to lock it in. Is that the right, proper way it works? So, I mean, and this thing can go by itself. That's basically what my question is. Hold on one second. All right, the other part I have here is this little saddle piece that's from that tombstone. So as you can see on this piece here, there is a notch. If it comes into focus, there it is. So if I look real careful, I believe this piece just fits right here. And I can look on the bottom, and it should fit in one of those ways. Like that. And so it'll basically stop it, that piece from spinning, but that's all I got. I don't know. It doesn't fit here because that's too big, see? So it has to go in here. It's just too far, so it has to go there. Anyways, this is how I'm gonna put it back together. We'll see if anything runs on it. The next time I try to fire it up here, I'll video it, but that is it. We'll see if anything works. Thank you.